Ready ji, 80 speed English. Start. For the Haryana Civil Service within bracket HCS examination, the state government has decided to replicate the pattern used by the Union Public Service Commission within bracket UPSC for conducting the civil services examination. Stop. The aptitude test will now form part of the preliminary examination, along with the general studies paper. Stop. Sources said the Haryana Civil Service within bracket executive branch rules, 2008, have now been replaced with the Haryana Civil Service with the bracket executive branch amendment rules, 2021, incorporating the aptitude test in the preliminary examination. Stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has questioned the state of Punjab on the ambit of human rights and its enforcement by the Punjab State Human Rights Commission. Stop. A division bench has also asked the State Council to address the court on the scope of such powers exercised by the Commission. Stop. Para. The more things change, the more they remain the same for fuel consumers. Stop. In March 2020, the crash in international oil prices prompted the NDA government to sharply raise taxes on petroleum products in a bid to garner revenue amid the upheaval caused by the pandemic. Stop. 11 months later, even as the global crude oil prices have firmed on the back of improving demand outlook in view of the worldwide rollout of COVID-19 vaccines, the center has ruled out any immediate move to reduce taxes. Stop. Oil Minister has stated that retail pump rates are governed by international prices, as India is 85% dependent on imports for meeting its needs. Stop. However, the fact remains that central and state taxes account for around 60% of the retail prices. Stop. Adding to the consumers' woes, the union budget has included petrol and diesel among the products on which a new agriculture, infrastructure and development cess is being levied. Stop. The Supreme Court on Friday asked the center and 16 sugarcane growing states, including Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra, to respond to a PIL seeking a direction for immediate release of Rs 15,683 crore dues to farmers in a time-bound manner. Stop. The Armed Forces Tribunal has ruled that the next of kin of a soldier who dies while on duty combating natural calamities is entitled to higher pensionary benefits than those applicable to death during routine work service. Stop. The Indian startup sector is booming with a ninefold rise in the number of patent applications filed by new firms over the last 3 years. Stop. Official data show Maharashtra leading the startup boom with maximum patent applications filed from the state last year. Stop.